Where are we, Bing?
We are in Copeville Fish Farm. Around here, down there is the fish pond.
Some kind of fish farm down there? We don't even know what.
Fish farm down there, where those square raft-like, raft, are fish cultured.
We'll have to find out just what it is.
But it's scary here.
But there's a cliff right there, and Bing is very nervous about that cliff.
It's shaking.
It's a very high cliff.
When I see high points or high. Look at that. Beautiful beach down there, shore. Beautiful. But how to go there with the car? Nobody knows. You know? You know, honey?
To go down there with a car?
With the car?
I have no idea. The only way you could do it is go over this cliff.
This tree, this kind of wood is like guava tree. Guava is robust.
Oh yeah?
The guava tree.
Like
yeah.
guava, huh?
Yeah. It's robust, the same like this one. Strong. Strong tree. So it's like the guava.
Beautiful wood.
I'm scared. But there's still dandelions.
And Bing is picking dandelions because she wants to save them as flowers. She wants to plant them as flowers.
Yeah, I planted it already at home.
It's the 4th of July, 2020, and it's her birthday.
July 4, 2020. And it's my birthday, but a sad one.
But a sad birthday because
very sad. Very, very bad.
her mother just passed away.
My mother passed away. And
Age 95.
To rest the other day, the second.
96, somewhere in there. Nobody really knows for sure. Because she was born
I dread that day.
before they really had calendars. They didn't have calendars in the Mansaka tribe, right, Bing?
No.
The Philippines.
We didn't know what calendars were.
Those are your dandelions you're going to plant, Bing?
Yes, I will replant them at home.
In a pot?
And I had, in a pot. And I had already planted there. They're growing.
Okay.
Couple of dandelions.
Well, we have lots of dandelions around here.
They're growing there.
Well, that's great.
Yeah.
You want to say goodbye to everybody?
Yeah. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.
We're here on a drive, lunch, birthday lunch.
Birthday lunch.
Roro treated me on a birthday lunch. Thank you, Roro.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
Love you.
Love
Bye.
you. Have a good day. Love you.